We used the two most recent cycles of the Canadian Health Measures Survey, which netted about 6,000 Canadian adults. And we looked at their diet, and in particular, we looked at their consumption of ultra-processed foods. Canadians are eating a substantial amount of ultra-processed foods, and on average, they're consuming just over 3 servings of ultra-processed foods per day.
Ultra-processed foods are industrial formulations containing substances that are extracted from food. So oils, starches, proteins, and sugars, as well as synthetic additives, so things like flavor enhancers, emulsifiers, and colors. Some items that might surprise people that are classified as ultra-processed foods or more healthfully marketed foods are things like energy drinks, protein bars, protein powders.
Some of the novelty and the robustness of our study is that we were able to control for a number of underlying factors that can contribute to cardiometabolic outcomes. For instance, physical activity levels, the total amount of food an individual is consuming, their age, and their weight. And we found that unequivocally increasing intakes of ultra-processed foods lead to these increases in cardiometabolic outcomes.
We also found in our study that those who were consuming more ultra-processed foods were consuming less fruit and vegetables. So that sort of leaves us to believe that people are not getting the nutrients they need from other foods because their diets are being displaced with ultra-processed foods.
Focusing on foods that are closest to their natural form, like minimally processed or whole fruits and vegetables, whole grains, dairy products, meat and fish products, is a good way to optimize your dietary health.